we're just kids in the woods, you know. We wanted to ride, dig, have fun, do tricks. I just started one day, and then since that day I can't get over it. Yeah, riding bike is definitely my first love, but through the years I met so many guys that introduced me to different sport passion. Everything is so good, 4 wheels, 2 wheels, you're always drifting, you're always having fun. You know, as a man it's hard to find yourself, and through riding, through having fun every day, realizing that that's what I love, that's what I'm made for. I mean, I've never ever really wanted to win. I've always just wanted to ride with my friends, having the most fun, and that's still what I'm doing every day.